Rona, and I'm the campaigns officer with the Ireland-Palestine Solidarity Campaign, and we're here today in Dublin City, I suppose, to reflect on Christmas in Palestine, both in the West Bank, East Jerusalem and in the Gaza Strip. They've been under siege in the Gaza Strip for 2 years. The illegal settlements have been increasing in the West Bank at an exponential rate, and for the first time in 2 years the Palestinian people of the West Bank and Gaza are celebrating Christmas, and we're here today to just reflect on that, reflect on the fact that Jesus himself was a Palestinian Christian, and if he were born today he would be born under siege, he would be born displaced, he would be born without access to medical treatment, to nutrition. And if those like the wise men and the shepherds that we hear in the story of Jesus' birth were to come and visit him today, they would be taken hostage and they would be illegally detained in Israeli prisons. So we're here today just to reflect on that.
I'm performing today at the Nativity scene. I am here because I think regardless of what you believe, having some hope, some light in a very dark time is what Christmas symbolises, this time of year symbolises for me. So I think it's really important that we gather here during these dark times for Palestine and try and have a little bit of hope for the future.